Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Catherine and today I'm in the Philippines. Well, actually it's my last day in the Philippines. I've been like packing up my apartment and stuff all day today. We've been here for like 3.5 months and supposedly tomorrow we start our 2-day journey home. Yeah. So, well, we're supposed to leave tomorrow, but a volcano went off close to Manila, so I'm not sure if we're just gonna hang out in Manila for like 3 days. I don't know. I have no idea what's happening, but not the point of this video. My point is I'm in a foreign country. I'm a VIPKid teacher, which means I can teach literally anywhere that there's internet. Philippines is notorious for having horrible internet, and the rumors are true. It fucking sucks sometimes. But I just wanted to share a couple things that I use to teach, and that is a godsend for people who like to travel like myself and who also need to make money like me and who like to teach on the road, which technically I've not done yet since I did not teach here. But I had the intention to, and I was just nervous to teach and do Maggetti, but it could be done. It could have been done. So anyway, the first thing I want to talk about is this gorgeous map. You've probably seen this everywhere. Nancy Taylor makes these maps and sells them, and they are so beautiful. Like, look at that. They're very pretty, and the coolest part was, like, I bought it. I can't remember when they launched, but I bought it, I think I was in the Philippines when I bought it. Anyway, but it gets sent to your email, which then you download, and then you go print at a print shop. So even though I'm not home, I haven't been home for like 3.5 months, like I said, I was able to print this, and it came out all nice and clean. This was the biggest size they made at the print shop, but look, like, I'm teaching. Super nifty, super handy. I just really like how I can, even though it could get like crinkled up in your suitcase, or you could have left it at home, it doesn't matter, because you can just run to a print shop, which they have them in the Philippines, which is where I printed this. I'm sure they have them in most other countries. Yeah, I printed, like, they gave me lots of different styles. Like, they printed a small one, which actually laminated one in the small one so that I can write on it and stuff. That's in my suitcase because I want to bring that home. These I'm not sure will fit without getting messed up. Plus I want to print out bigger ones, so I might leave these here for whoever gets this apartment next. Maybe they're a teacher, I don't know. So that is pretty cool. And then another thing is, you don't want props and rewards and whiteboards taking up so much space in your bag. You can easily buy that stuff super cheap in the Philippines, and I mean, you can easily buy that stuff in the world, but like, who wants to? Okay, that money could easily go towards a ferry ticket or macaroni and cheese and siki hor. Oh my god, it's so good. But this app it's called Apples to Apples. I'm sure you've heard of it. It's only $10, just flat, just $10, and it has everything on there. It has, you can do props, letters, numbers. There's different reward systems. Like, my students love tic-tac-toe. The older ones love tic-tac-toe, and they also like the one where you can, like, they love the gumball, like picking the gumball color. They love that, and the animals. They like to pick the animals too. So those are my regulars' favorites. I actually really miss teaching them. I'm also hoping this flight is on time so that I can get back to teaching next week, because I have like 4 classes booked, and like, A, I don't want to cancel them, B, they're with like, who knew my regulars would still be waiting for me after 3.5 months? Like, what precious angels from heaven. So I'll leave the links below for the Nancy Taylor map. It's amazing. And for Apples to Apples, it's been a lifesaver for me and such a game changer. Like, even when I'm home with all my props, like, I don't even use the props because I have the app. So much easier. And you can, with those 2 things, you can literally go anywhere and have everything you need without having to pack props or backgrounds or anything else. Of course, you can always spice up your classroom more, but like, just like the bare necessities, like, it's got you. Okay, I got you. So if you like to travel, if you like to teach, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for hanging out with me. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.